Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare bottle gourd bhaji. This bottle gourd is also known as kaddu or lauki and it is easily available in the market. So I have taken half a kilo of bottle gourd and I have cut them like this into long slices. You can also add potato to this recipe. You can also cut the potato in the same way, but I am not using potato for this recipe. Here I have taken one big onion and I have sliced them. 2 dried red chilies. 1 big tomato. Cut them into small pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is black cumin seeds. So this is 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin seeds. Fresh coriander leaves. Little bit of fresh coriander leaves. And I'm going to prepare this recipe in the mustard oil. Salt we are using as per our taste. So now let's get started. Once the mustard oil is heated, I'm going to add the black cumin seeds. I have heated 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, friends. And then I will add the sliced onions. Reduce the flame when you are adding the sliced onion. Break the dried red chilies and add them too. Mustard oil will give a lovely flavor to this bhaji, friends. We will saute this onion till it becomes slightly transparent. Now friends, as you can see, the onion has changed its color. So this is the time when I will add the bottle gourd into this oil. Bottle gourd has a lot of water in it. It contains a lot of water. Now I will mix it. After mixing it properly, I am going to add the turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per our taste, tomatoes, and now I am again going to mix it. After mixing it like this, friends, we will cook it over high flame. As you can see, the bottle gourd, it starts leaving water. It has a lot of water content in it. So let it get, the water will come out, then let it get dried and it will have a fried texture. We will stir also, friends, in between. As you can see, the water is drying up. So we are not going to cover it. We are going to cook like this only. So just keep stirring it. Now friends, after cooking it for near about 20 minutes, our bottle gourd is ready. we are going to add the fresh coriander leaves. Reduce the flame to medium. And now our bottle gourd bhaji is ready. So we'll put off the flame and transfer this to the serving bowl. So here is our bottle gourd bhaji ready. You can savor this with plain rotis or plain boiled rice. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.